In my quest for visual enhancement, I turned to artificial intelligence as a valuable tool to transform my FPV drone videos. The goal was to create a mesmerizing fusion, blending watercolor and futuristic styles. The outcome was impressive, yet still had room for improvement. I envision a future where AI unlocks a realm of awe-inspiring visuals, blurring the boundaries between reality and imagination. Its involvement extended beyond visuals and scripting composition to generating a complementary voice-over, amplifying the impact of the experience. The boundaries of creativity are continuously pushed, propelling us into uncharted territories where innovation and imagination intersect. Together, we embark on a limitless journey where human creativity intertwines with the brilliance of AI, shaping a future where the extraordinary becomes the norm.
Okay, maybe that was a little bit dramatic, but it is pretty cool. What the? Hey!